Good afternoon, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, children. Did you completed your CW? Yes, you have to complete your CW up to date. Okay, children. Now, in previous class, what I said? In previous class, what I explained you? What is this, children? What is the lesson name? स्वरों के चिन्हान. Okay? स्वरों के चिन्हान. Fine. In English, what you will say? The symbol of the vowels. The symbols of the vowels. Okay? Now children, first of all you have to write date. Write today's date. Subject Hindi. Lesson 4. Write lesson name स्वरों के चिन्हान. The symbols of the vowels. In previous class also we read about स्वरों के चिन्हान. Till where we completed, children, in last class? Till I. Yes, till I we completed our meanings. Next, now start writing O. Shall I start, children? Did you completed this one? Okay, write in new page. Okay, now write letter O. Okay, more. What you will write? More. Ma. Okay, matra. Mo. Ra. More. More means what, children? Peacock. More means peacock. Next one. Chor. Chor means thief. Chor means thief. More, peacock. Chor, thief. Next meaning is lotha. Lotha, mug. Okay. Sona. Sona, gold. Okay, children. Next, tota. Tota. Tota, parrot. Okay, children. More, peacock, chor, thief, lotha, mug, sona, gold, tota, parrot. Okay, children. Now, what is the next letter? After O, next letter is what? What is next letter? Come on, say me, children. What is the next letter? O. O. Okay. Now, let us write few meanings. औरत. Okay, children. Nauker. Nauker. Servant. नौकर servant. मौसम. 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 season. Okay. Next. मौका. Next one is मौका. मौका. chance. Okay. औरत. woman. नौकर. servant. मौसम. season. मौका. chance. Okay, children. These are all. Okay. These meanings you write, children. Write in your CW. Okay. Write neat handwriting. Okay, children. Now, did you completed this one? Completed, children? Okay, I will erase here. Now, next letter is what? What is next letter, children? Okay. Okay. Now, first one is बंदर. बंदर. monkey. कंगन. Next one is कंगन. कंगन means bangle. Okay. Next, jungle. Jungle. Forest. Jungle. Forest. Next, what is this, children? Bandar, monkey, kangan, bangle, jungle, forest. Okay? Did you complete this one, children? Can I erase? Yes? Okay. You do one thing. First, I will explain you again. What is this? More, peacock, chor, thief, lotha, mug, sona, gold, तोता, parrot, औरत, woman, नौकर, servant, मौसम, season, मौका, chance. Okay? Now, next meaning. What is this? What is this, children? Bandar, monkey, kangan, bangle, jungle, forest. Okay? Shall I erase this one, children? Can I erase? Now write next letter. means camel. Okay. Next, Hasna. Next one is Hasana. Hasana, to laugh. Okay, Hasana, to laugh. Next one is Gaon. Gaon, village. Okay, children. Gaon, village. Okay. First one is what? More, peacock, chor, thief, lotha, mug, sona, gold, tota, parrot, औरत, woman, नौकर, servant, मौसम, season, मौका, chance. Okay. Now next, बंदर, monkey, कंगन, bangle, jungle, forest. Okay, after that, which letter is this? What is this letter? An. ऊंट, camel, हंसना, to laugh, गांव, village. Okay, children? Did you complete it? Did you complete this one? More, peacock? Yes? Can I erase? Next letter is what, children? Last letter. What is the last letter? Come on, say me. What is the last letter? Aha. An, aha. Okay. Now, write meanings. Namaha. Namaha means namaskar. Okay. Namaha means namaskar. Next, prataha. Prataha means what? Early morning. Early morning. Early morning. Cha. Cha means 6. Okay, children. Here, which matra is this, children? Which letter is this? Which letter is this? O. Aurat. 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 Woman. No. No. O की मात्रा. नौकर. नौकर. Servant. 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 नौ. O. नौकर. Servant. O की मात्रा. मौसम. मौसम. Season. 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 Okay. मौका. औ की मात्रा. का को आ की मात्रा. मौका. Chance. Okay, children. Now next, what is this letter? Come on, say me. What is this letter? Aha. No sound. Bandar. Monkey. MONKEY. K-E-Y, monkey. Bandar, monkey. Kangan. Kangan means bangle. Kangan means what? Bangle. This one is bangle, na? Kangan, bangle. B-A-N-G-L-E. Bangle. Kangan, bangle. Jungle, forest. Forest you know, na? Jungle, forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. Jungle, forest. Now next, what is this letter? Un. Oont. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Hasana. To laugh. Hasana. To laugh. Gaon, village. Gaon, village. Namaha, namaskar. Pratah, early morning. 6. Okay, children, did you completed this all? Yes, you have to write neat handwriting, children. Okay, by this till here we completed our 4th lesson. What is our 4th lesson? Swaron ke Chihan. We completed this lesson. Then you also have to complete your CW. Right? Now let us read some words. Okay? Shall I erase? Shall I erase, children? Okay? Till here you have to write. In CW you have to write, children. CW, I will give you homework. Write homework also. Copy homework, all of you. Read and write lesson 4. Letters, words. One time. Okay, children? Write one time. Okay? Write neat handwriting, children. Write neat handwriting. Read and write. When are you writing a CW or and in HW, you have to write, read and write. Okay? Now next, let us read few words without matraye. Okay? First of all, you complete this one. After that, we'll read words. Now, see, children, what is this letter? What is this letter, children? Come on, say me, what is this letter? K. Yes? K. La. What will become? Kal. Yes? Kala. Kal. Next letter. Ja. What is this letter? La. What will become? Jal. Ja. La. Jal. Next. What is this letter? Come on, say me. What is this letter? H. H. La. Hal. Kal. Jal. Hal. Okay. Now, what is this letter? Come on, say me. What is this word? F. la. What will become? Fal. Okay? See children, when are you reading? You have to read with spellings. Okay? How you read means ka, la, kal. Ja, la, jal. Ha, la, hal. Fa, la, fal. Okay, for example, here see ba, na, da, ra. Bandar. Kangan. Ka, na, kang, gan. Kangan. Ja, ga, la. Jungle. Okay. Now, unt. Unta. Unt. Hasana. 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 Gaon. Gawa. Gaon. Village. Okay. Like that you have to read with spellings. Okay, children. Now for example, what is this letter? What is this letter? Sa. What is this one? Fa. Sa, fa. Then one more you add. What is this? La. Then what will become? Sa, fa. Saf, la. Safal. What will become? Sa, fa, la. Safal. Okay. For example, see here. What is this letter? What is this letter? Ba. Ba, ra. Ba, ra. Bar, sa. What will become? Come on, say me. Baras. Ba, ra, sa. Baras. Okay. Now next. What is this letter? Come on, say me. What is this letter? Ka, ma, ka, ma, la. What will become? Ka, ma, la. Kamal. What will become, children? Kamal. Okay. Let us read next. Ka. Okay. Ka, la, ma. What will become? If you join these three letters, what will become? Ka, la, ma. Kalam. This is Kamal. This is Kalam. Okay, children, like this you have to read. Okay, read with spellings, and matra also is there in these words. Matra are there. Okay, in these words matra is there. In this word matra is there, children? No. In this word matra is not there. Okay, so how we will read? Ka, la, kal. Ja, la, jal. Ha, la, hal. Fa, la, fal. Sa, fa, la. Safal. Ba, ra, sa. Baras. Ka, ma, la. Kamal. Ka, la, ma. Kalam. Okay, children, like this you have to read. Okay. Now here see, till here we completed our syllabus lesson 4. This one you don't write in your CW. For example, I explained for you this all. Okay, fine. Now I gave you Okay, children, write one time but write neat handwriting. Okay. Now, all of you open your textbook. All of you open your textbook, page number 10. Now, let us do oral drilling once again. Fine. Here you are seeing some pictures. In your textbook, see here pictures. What is the first one? First one is Tota, peacock, Aurat, woman, Bandar, monkey, Oont, camel, Namaha, Namaskar. Okay? Here I wrote some meanings. Okay? Now let us read. All of you keep finger here, children. First one, chor, thief, lotha, mug, sona, gold, tota, parrot, kawa, crow, naukar, servant, mausa, season, mauka, chance, kangan, bangle, jungle, forest, hans, swan, rang, collar, hasna, to laugh, gaon, village, kanta, throne, aankh, eye, namaha, namaskar, prataha, early morning, punaha, again, falataha, result, cha, 6. After writing this CW, children, you have to read these meanings. After writing CW, then you write homework. Here I gave you homework. Okay. How many times you write homework? One time you write. Okay. These all words you don't write in your CW. Okay. Till here only you complete. Fine. In next class I will teach you 5th lesson, children. Okay. Then thank you, children. Have a nice day. Dhanyavad.